SmartVestor Robo-advisor for Investing Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we'll review SmartVestor, a robo-advisor designed to simplify the investing process for beginners and experienced investors alike. SmartVestor uses an algorithm-driven platform to automatically manage your portfolio based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It offers a diverse range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs, to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your needs. SmartVestor's key feature is its personalized financial plan, which helps you define your goals and tailor your investment strategy accordingly. The platform is made for individuals who want to invest but prefer a hands-off approach. Whether you're new to investing or simply don't have the time or expertise to manage your own portfolio, SmartVestor is designed to do the heavy lifting for you. It offers a user-friendly interface with clear investment advice, making it ideal for those who want to start investing without the steep learning curve. You get access to professional-grade investment strategies, all managed by AI-backed algorithms that optimize your portfolio in real time. What sets SmartVestor apart is its low fees compared to traditional financial advisors, making it a cost-effective solution for those looking to grow their wealth over time. You can also automate your investments by setting up recurring contributions, which ensures you stay on track with your financial goals. The platform also provides regular performance tracking and portfolio rebalancing, which is essential for long-term investing success. However, while SmartVestor's automated system is efficient, it may not offer the same level of human insight as traditional advisors. This might be a drawback for more experienced investors who prefer a more hands-on approach to their investments. Additionally, some users may find the platform's lack of personal interaction a bit impersonal. In conclusion, SmartVestor is a solid robo-advisor for anyone seeking simplicity, low fees, and a well-diversified investment strategy. It's perfect for those who want to automate their investments and let technology do the work. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, cost-effective solution to building long-term wealth, SmartVestor is definitely worth considering. However, if you're someone who wants more personal advice and guidance, it may not be the best fit for you.